Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you students of class 4? Hopefully all will be fine. Okay students, please look at the page number 113. We are going to start the new chapter, that is our earth and its neighbors. Okay? And it is from the physics portion. What is physics portion? Physics is the branch of science which belongs with the matter and motion and types of motion and energy, okay, involved in the matter. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, यानी फिजिक्स जो है मैटर और मोशन और एनर्जी से बिलोंग करती है. अच्छा, इसमें मैंने आपके लिए एक चैप्टर सेलेक्ट किया है, दैट इज़ आवर अर्थ एंड इट्स नेबर्स. ओके, वी विल स्टडी अबाउट दैट. इन द स्टार्टिंग we will, as usual, we will solve the warm up activity. Please all of you look at your book, page number 113, warm up activity. Okay, now let's see its first point, students. Look at the question of warm up activity. Unscramble the words given in the boxes to find the correct answer. ठीक है, अपने वर्ड्स जो है बनाने हैं, जो बॉक्सेस में दिए हुए हैं उन वर्ड्स को आपने अरेंज करके बनाना है, आपने सही वर्ड बनाना है. ओके, द ओवल पाथ ऑफ द अर्थ अराउंड द सन इज नोन एज डैश, BIRTO. So it will be the word orbit. I have written it for your convenience. Orbit. Number 2 point, the earth spins on its dash, ISAX. So it is the word AXIS, axis. What is the word? Axis. Okay, the earth spins on its axis. Next sentence, the movement of the earth around the sun is known as dash. The word given in the box is TIONVOLURE. So the correct word which will be made by using these letters will be revolution. As you can see on the screen, revolution, REVOLUTION, revolution. Okay. Next sentence, the instrument used to study stars and plants is known as dash. The word given in the box is LESTECOPE. So the correct word is telescope. The instrument used to study stars and plants is known as telescope. Okay students, I am repeating. Okay, the oval path of the earth around the sun is known as orbit. The earth spins on its axis. The movement of the earth around the sun is known as revolution. The instrument used to study stars and plants is known as telescope. So these are the words which will be written in the blanks, and you have to do this activity in the book as it is the warm up activity. So you will do it in the book. Okay students, आप ये बुक में करेंगे, then you can send your books for checking with your journals. Okay, when we will do the question answer, then you can send your these books, you can send your book for checking with your journal. Okay, so now I will explain the terms which are given in the sentences. The first word which is used in the first blank, that is orbit. Now what is the orbit, students? The oval path of the earth around the sun is known as orbit. यानी सन जिस रास्ते पे अर्थ जो है जिस रास्ते पर सन के गिर्द मूवमेंट करती है, सन के गिर्द घूमती है, वो ओवल पाथ, वो क्या कहलाता है? दैट इज़ कॉल्ड एज ऑर्बिट. Okay, it is not a round path, as you can see on the screen, it is the oval path. Okay, now next is the word which is axis. Okay, axis. Now what is the axis, students? Axis, the earth spins on its axis. यानी जो अर्थ है वो अपने ही एक्सिस के गिर्द घूमती है. एक्सिस इसकी सेंट्रल पार्ट है, यानी अर्थ जो है अपनी ही जगह पर घूम रही होती है. एक तो अर्थ जो है सन के गिर्द घूमती है और एक अर्थ जो है अपनी ही जगह पर मूव कर रही होती है. ठीक है, आपको समझ में आ गया? ओके, अदरवाइज आई विल एक्सप्लेन इन द नेक्स्ट लेक्चर्स. नाउ नेक्स्ट वर्ड विच इज यूज्ड इन द सेंटेंस, दैट इज रेवोल्यूशन. ओके, व्हाट इज द रेवोल्यूशन, स्टूडेंट्स? द रेवोल्यूशन इज दैट द मूवमेंट ऑफ द अर्थ अराउंड द सन इज नोन एज रेवोल्यूशन. यानी जो अर्थ जो है जो मूवमेंट करती है ठीक है, अर्थ जो है सन की गिर्द जो मूवमेंट करती है उसके इस मूवमेंट को रेवोल्यूशन कहते हैं. ओके, नाउ टेलीस्कोप. व्हाट इज़ द टेलीस्कोप स्टूडेंट्स? एज यू कैन सी ऑन द स्क्रीन, ठीक है, दैट इज़ द टेलीस्कोप. The instrument used to study stars and plants is known as telescope. यानी वो इंस्ट्रूमेंट, वो आला, वो इंस्ट्रूमेंट जिससे हम स्टार्स के बारे में और प्लांट्स के बारे में स्टडी करते हैं, उनको देखते हैं, उनके बारे में स्टडी करते हैं, उनके बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन कलेक्ट करते हैं, ठीक है, दैट इज़ नोन एज टेलीस्कोप. ठीक है, यू कैन सी द गैलेक्सी, स्टार्स ऑफ गैलेक्सी ओवर द स्काई, ठीक है, एंड अ मैन इज वॉचिंग, ट्राइंग टू वॉच इट with the help of telescope. Okay students, so it is the brief information which is about the words given in the blanks. Okay, now let's move towards the homework. Okay students, now what is the homework for today? Homework is very simple because as we have started the chapter, new chapter, so today I am going to give you only to make the title page of the chapter. Okay, what do you have to do? You have to make the title page of the chapter, our earth and its neighbors, and after that you will do the warm up activity in your book, neat and clean, and it is the homework for today. And please complete your previous work and then submit your journals and start to doing the new chapter. Okay, so this chapter is going to be very interesting for you because it is very informative. It will give you the information about earth, about moon, stars, and about the planets. Okay, so we will study all this chapter in detail. Okay, hopefully you will enjoy it. So please let's start to do your homework. And if you have any difficulty, then you can ask me. I will explain these terms which I have explained today briefly in the next lectures again. So if you have any problems, so no matter, I will explain it again. Okay, thank you. Take care students. Allah Hafiz.